Fill the blank with at, in, or on. I live. New York City. 5 seconds to choose. In. I live in New York City. I am working. My project. 5 seconds to choose. On. I am working on my project. My phone is. Table. 5 seconds to choose. On. My phone is on the table. The water is. The fridge. 5 seconds to choose. In. The water is in the fridge. Can we meet? Saturday. 5 seconds to choose. On. Can we meet on Saturday? I am. Vacation. 5 seconds to choose. On. I am on vacation. I will visit you. Sunday. 5 seconds to choose. On. I will visit you on Sunday. I will wait for you. The bus stop. 5 seconds to choose. At. I will wait for you at the bus stop. I am. The bathroom. 5 seconds to choose. In. I am in the bathroom. Are you? WhatsApp. 5 seconds to choose. On. Are you on WhatsApp? He was. Home when I arrived. 5 seconds to choose. At. He was at home when I arrived. I am busy. The moment. 5 seconds to choose. At. I'm busy at the moment. My birthday is. June 3rd. 5 seconds to choose. On. My birthday is on June 3rd. I have a meeting. 2:30 p.m. 5 seconds to choose. At. I have meeting at 2:30 p.m. I will be famous. The future. 5 seconds to choose. In. I will be famous in the future. We will see. Christmas Day. 5 seconds to choose. On. We will see on Christmas Day. The summer begins. September. 5 seconds to choose. In. The summer begins in September. I was born. January 18th, 2002. 5 seconds to choose. On. I was born on January 18th, 2002. She doesn't like driving. The rain. 5 seconds to choose. In. She doesn't like driving in the rain. The picture is hanging. The wall. 5 seconds to choose. On. The picture is hanging on the wall. We stayed. A hotel. Paris. 5 seconds to choose. At. In. We stayed at a hotel in Paris. I met him. The bus stop. 5 seconds to choose. At. I met him at the bus stop. I met him at the bus stop. My wallet is. My pocket. 5 seconds to choose. In. My wallet is in my pocket. My wallet is in my pocket. Did you see the news? The TV last night? 5 seconds to choose. On. Did you see the news on the TV last night? Did you see the news on the TV last night? She is studying English. University. 5 seconds to choose. In. She's studying English in university. She's studying English in university.